Hi, I'm Mel Beach, and here I am with my 3 studio assistants. When I'm not in a quilted fort, I'm a full-time artist, teacher, and writer. I've had a really exciting year, including a guest appearance on the Quilt Show, as well as several published articles. Here I am in my San Jose, California studio, where I'm equipped and very experienced with offering live online lectures and workshops for a variety of quilting groups. My goal is to make it really easy, fun, and inspirational for everybody, especially including the program shares. I offer lots of pre-workshop support, including promotion materials, as well as an email in advance of the workshop with the handouts, as well as Zoom information. I use all the different tools and features that make virtual so exciting and refreshing, including a combination of slideshows, mostly live demos, and a few short video demos. And I use all the different Zoom features to really create lots of opportunities for participants to be engaged, ask questions, and get feedback. And again, virtual offers lots of flexible scheduling options. We can do in one day, we can break up into 2 sessions for more digesting of information, which is working out really well, and participants are especially loving that opportunity. This year is all about Quilting Fun and Games, and that includes a new Design by Dice mini workshop where we roll the dice and respond with a variety of exercises featuring design. And that pairs really well with my Fun and Games and Quilting lecture and workshop. In fact, I rolled the dice 100 days in a row to experiment different mark making on fabric techniques and mediums. And I am taking some of my favorite techniques from that experience and turning into a new mark making magic workshop, which will be brand new for early 2022. And here's a little preview of what we'll be doing in that workshop. Of course, I still love free motion quilting workshops, especially via Zoom. It's great for those that are intimidated by free motion quilting. It's more relaxed. You can work on your own primary sewing machine, and that includes those that prefer to stitch on a long arm or mid arm. They are welcome to join the fun. Modern free motion fillers and fun is one of my more popular workshops. Crazy in Love with Free Motion Quilting is my newest. Mod Moles and Bright Blooms, super fun. Pebble and Play. Magnificent Modules is more for experienced quilters, and then Walking Foot Wow is great for everybody. Those all pair well with my free motion CREA-TV and reality lecture. It's my fun twisted take on free motion quilting through the lens of reality TV. I also love modern improv piecing, slice of improv, more beginner friendly, and freestyle and spiraling, more intermediate level. And those go well with my Challenge Yourself lecture. If you want to learn more about me, visit my website, melbeachquilts.com. You can also get more quilting fun and inspiration from my monthly newsletter and my blog. Thank you and have a great day.